Hi, I have a Dixon ZTR 428 that I had to rewire because wiring burned up. I got starter and battery figured out. I need to figure out how the PTO connects to ignition switch. The mower engine runs like a top, just can't shut it off.
Do you know the model of your Dixon lawn mower? How old is it?
I'm guessing about a 1987 to 1990 from the body style.
How long has this been going on with your Dixon lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
About a couple weeks. Everything I have tried so far has blown fuses. I'm afraid to try anything else without expertise.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. First thing you need to do is use a set of jumpers from the battery and see if the electric clutch magnet works. It could have been the earlier problem that burned up the wiring. The PTO just needs a hot wire from the PTO switch, and power to the switch from the key to the PTO switch. The second wire for the clutch is ground and can ground at KY or frame. Use this diagram as a guide, it is for a similar model.
I'm sorry, but I can read diagrams. I understand from solenoid to battery and starter, but that's as far as I go. Does the wire from the ignition switch to PTO switch connect to the magneto terminal on ignition switch?
Here is key switch wiring. The PTO has to go to the battery, red wire, so it has power. The magneto has to go to the M terminal, so it grounds out and kills the engine when switch is turned off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.